Hey guys, my name's Connor. I'm with STC. We've developed a quick little demonstration on igniters and glow plugs and ops checks and how they function. So our demonstration has a couple components. We have our 12 volt battery here to power the device. Now we're going to be going, that voltage is going to be going to the exciter box. That exciter box is going to step up the voltage so we can go up to our igniter here that would ignite the fuel in the aircraft. We also have a glow plug here to heat up the temperature of the can. A couple differences between the igniter and a glow plug. An igniter and glow plug are both devices used to assist in igniting fuel in internal combustion engines. They operate differently and are used in different types of engines. An igniter plug, as shown here, is a broader term that can be referred to any device used to ignite fuel mixture by providing an electrical spark to ignite the fuel, while a glow plug, as shown here, specifically refers to a heating element used to preheat the combustion chamber, allowing for easier ignition during cold starts. This is going to be for the glow plug. So I'm going to flip the switch and it's going to turn on. What you're looking for here is within 8 seconds for it to turn a nice yellow-orange, and that would determine that your glow plug is actually functional. As shown here, and we'll turn it back off. So our demonstration has the igniter plug exposed. But typically, when you are doing an ops check on an engine, you're going to be listening for the snapping sound from the igniter about once a second. Now, when you're doing an ops check, if you don't hear that sound, you're first going to replace your exciter here, and then your igniter. And then after that, it should be working again. So we're going to turn it on and let you see what it looks like.